What's something people don't know about their Ring cameras? Motion detection can be a little picky. Here's how to get yours working again. First, check if motion detection is turned on in your Ring app. You'd be surprised how often it gets turned off by accident. Next, make sure your camera has a clear view. Branches, spider webs, or even a dirty lens can block motion signals. Give that camera a quick wipe and trim anything in the way. Still not working? Open your app and look at motion zones. If they're too small or pointed away from where the action happens, your camera might miss important movement. Adjust the zones to cover driveways, walkways, or doors. Also, check your Wi-Fi connection. A weak signal can cause motion alerts to lag or disappear completely. Finally, make sure your Ring app and device firmware are up to date. Updates fix bugs and keep things running smoothly. If you've tried all this and it's still not working, reach out to Ring support. They're there to help. Now you know the quick fixes, so your Ring camera won't miss a thing.